evening, friends. I'm Dr. Nachiket Bhatia, standing here in the studio with Dr. Saurabh Bhatia, the pharmacology legend. And again, we are going to discuss something about the Y program, but with a faculty whose subject does not have that much images. So, Dr. Saurabh, I have already discussed this topic with Dr. Jain, and we were focusing with a faculty whose subject is totally image-based. But right now, we are going to focus that since your subject does not have those as much as images, so why do you recommend Y then?
First of all, good evening to all my students. Right, very well said, Dr. Nachiket. Pharmacology is a subject, and also there are a few other subjects where images are not that much important. But the trend nowadays, if we follow, like they are asking around 50 to 60 images in one exam. So if by chance questions come from my subject, although this pharma is a subject where images are not there, but still if questions come, like students should know that which topics are important and from where these images can come. There are many other institutes which are focusing on images belong to pharmacologies. They are showing any haywire images which are important, which are not important, wasting students' times. So in this image, in this vibe of 2018, what I have planned, I'll give you very specific few images which are important for exam point of view only. So although those images are not there in our books, but I specifically chosen those images for this vibe session so that if students will go through those images, students will get maximum output out of that. So I recommend to go for this vibe 2018 because this time pharma images will be very focused, very important for you people. It's personally chosen by me, so that's why I recommend this vibe.
I also came to know that you are now preparing the latest updates about pharmacology, and some of the updates that are not yet in the market till now. I mean, that is the type of research Dr. Saab has done over here.
Not the kind of research what I should say. See, 2018 is a year of full of changes. Like you people must be knowing, there are many new editions of books have come. Like CMDT always updated. Even in pharmacology, we have two standard books. One is Kaizen, second is Goodman-Gilman. So this year, Goodman-Gilman and Kaizen new editions have already been launched. And these books are launched in March, April. So many of the students we have taught in January, February, and some October batches are going on. So to those batches and also for new batches, like we keep on updating ourselves. So there are many new things which have come up. There are many new things which are added in these new editions of Kaizen as well as in Goodman-Gilman. So this year I have planned to give you all these updates, whatever been added in these two new editions of book. Plus, like you must be knowing, like DBMCI is it's a temple of studies, you already know. So like we have taken so many of subscriptions of new journals of pharmacology, like also we have other journals subscriptions in pharmacology. So I have taken the content from those journals. Like there are many new things which are appearing in journals of this pharmacology as well as medicines as well as subjects related to medicines. So I have collected all those updates also. So this vibe, apart from those images which I have just talked about, I am also going to give you the latest updates of pharmacology which are very important for AIIMS and the NEET point of view. So that's why I recommend to go for this vibe 2018 this year.
And will you have any kind of views on a grand CLT plan?
Oh, definitely. That's going to be very good. Like if student has taken this vibe 2018 and after that if student will give that exam. So definitely it will be the kind of a real-time picture of the original exam. So this is a really good move by DBMCI. So I recommend all students to go for this grand CLT exam.
So grand CLT will give you a chance to test your potential among 30,000 students. My friends, put your whole hard work to test and make this grand CLT a real NEET pattern exam, and make sure that you are 90% prepared for this exam so that you can give everything you have, and make sure that you are aiming only for the rank 1. After that, we will give you a chance to go over every piece of hard work that you have done, find your mistakes and correct them before the NEET exam. That is why take the grand CLT plan very seriously. Make sure your images are totally covered in the Y plan, and make sure that you get the rank 1 in the grand CLT exam. That's me, Nachiket Bhatia, with Dr. Saurabh Bhatia, and best of luck.
Thank you.